If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Is it yummy? It's like having dessert. Yeah. What your name is, girl? What your name is? What your name is, girl? What your name is? That's right. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray!